Hello, beautiful people. Future me. So let's get into it. Oh, I forgot to start this. All right. 4%. Makes me happy. That's great. right. So this is 7% and 35 VPM. Alright, it is what it is. So we will close this and we'll open the execute program. And let's see what's next. So TypeScript we are almost done. So the last is JavaScript arrays. Okay, so let's go. Slice -3. 1, 2, 3. And -1, so that is 30, 40. Push E. Oh my god. Hey, push E, that returns what? The length? I think so. So, yep. Includes false strings. 2 is X, so it will be A, B, and X. 3 array size, and okay, so that will be undefined. ABC slice 1, so that will be B, C. So here we have a map. A map is on each and it will return the same array. And this is times 10, so it will be 10, 20, 30. Index of D is -1 because it is not here. -100, so it will return the entire array. Some number equal to 2 is true. Index of A is 0. And we will have a array with size of 3 and filled with D's. Concat, okay, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like so. And we will pop the last one, so this will be 3. Pop A, okay, and here will be 1, 2. Every use, okay, so here is the trick. Some is always true on empty array, right? And every is the opposite, so this will be false. It's the other way around, okay. Nums 0, it will be 10. What? Numbers, nums, map, this. Oh, it will not change the original array. So here we have a sum, so this will be false. Sum is always false, so array will be always true, okay. Oh well. A, B, C, D, F. D, F, every string line, that is true. This is C. Okay, so every, this will be false. No, it will be true. Why is it true? I don't know, I would have to see the implementation of every. And this one is nums 0, so this will be 1. Yep. Okay, A1, okay, so it's not changed. So like so. Original, slice, copy, original is still the same. 10, 20, 30. True. Slice 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it is 20, 30. Slice 2, 3. So it will return empty array. Push 3 and A. So 1, 2, 3. Like so. And we are complete. We have a join. Sometimes we want to turn arrays of strings into a single string. We can join them together. Okay. So join say BC, and this is like the things you put in between those, maybe. So it will be Amir Betty. If we omit the joins argument, the strings are joined with the comma by default. Okay. So it will be Amir Betty, like so. Joins argument is the string to put between each array element. Yeah, figured out. So it'll be AX, BX, C, and okay, A and B and C. There's nothing special about joining empty strings. If we join some empty strings together, we get a string of only commas. Think about this. The string has all of the commas of the original array. What? So this will be so this will be A comma nothing comma B. Null and undefined become empty strings when joined. Okay. Null undefined, so this will be like so. And this will be A null undefined and B. Is it so? A null undefined B. Yeah. Join can be used to build a large string using short lines of code. Return username, name. I see. Use a tag name, so it will return user name equal this Amir this that. That should be it. Oh, like so. Sorry. We can use join to build properly. Properly.
Properly.
Properly.
Properly.
Properly.
Properly.
Properly.
Properly.
Properly.
Properly.
Properly. Build a properly formatted English list of words. Peas, carrots, potatoes, food slice. There's no join. You're just slicing it to peas and carrots. Okay. What else? Peas, carrots, potatoes, joined, food slice. Yeah. joined, join, what? Then we have another comma? What is that? Okay, this is an array. So this is the first element, this is the second element, and this is the third element, and the final. And we are joining them by commas. So the first one would be peas, carrots, they are joined by comma, so it will be peas, carrots, comma, comma, space, and foods length -1, potatoes. No? Okay, so we join, so we have peas, carrots. This is the first one. This is the first one we have. Then we have space and then we have potatoes. Those are those things. Oh, and I'm joining them without the commas, so it will be like so and so. There is a space. So now, okay, peas, carrots, and potatoes. Okay, find index. Gives us the index of an element. Let's go. 0, 1. Yeah. Find index string, string length. Sometimes we don't know the complete value of element that we want. For example, maybe we want to find the first non-empty string. For that we can use find index. So this is where we put in a function. Okay. Find index I did not know. So admin is true, so it will be index of 1. It's okay if multiple elements match our provided function. Find index will find the first matching element. Okay, so a at would be 0. The callback function passed to the find index gets 3 arguments. 3? Usually you only need the first, which is the current array element, but sometimes the others are useful too. The second element is the element's index in the array. Find index. This example finds the index of the first A after the second element. Index greater than t. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3. The whole array is passed in our callback as a third argument. This is rarely needed, but it's there just in case. ABC, element array, array index, C add this to If our function doesn't match any element, find index returns -1. It is like index of, which returns -1 when nothing is found, as with index of. This can be source of bugs. Remember to check for -1. -1, D is not there. Finish lesson. Shift. We've seen push and pop. They add and remove elements on the end of an array. Shift and unshift do the same, but for the beginning of the array, shift removes the first element and returns it. Shift, so this will be like so. Shift, so this will be A. Unshift adds an element. So this will be Z, A, and B. Unshift returns the array length, including the newly added element. This matches push, which also returns array length. Okay. Unshift is free. Shift and unshift have somewhat confusing names, yes. There's one way to remember them. Shift shifts all the elements down by one. Index 2 becomes index 1, blah 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 blah. Unshift does the opposite, yeah. Here's demonstration. Okay, so original index is index of C, so it is that, a new index, so it will be 2 becomes 1. Calling unshift but puts the new element in index 0. This means that the existing elements all move to the right by 1. Their indexes all increase. Okay, B is 1, so it will be 1 becomes 2. Like pop and push, shift and unshift change the array itself. Shift. So shift is the removing, so it will be free. Unshift A, so it will be A free. Finish. Rotate right. Right function that rotates an array. The last element moves to the beginning of the array. The function should modify the array itself. Okay. Rotate array, and what we will do is, so we will array pop, that will return something, and we will unshift that. It should include shift and unshift. Why? Includes pop or push. shift or unshift. But it works. This one goes to the first one. The third goes here. The one's the same. I mean, I don't know if that one is... Okay, unshift. Okay, so I do... maybe this array unshift. So that's interesting. So got undefined from there and return undefined. So if greater than 0, it passes. Filter. Can we do filter? We often decision inside the loops JavaScript process procedural language. Okay, there's users, admins for users. If user admins push user, so it will have admins map username, so it will get Amir. If user is admin, admins will push user. And then, so we have this in here. And we will map it to the username. Oh, I see. So it will be like so. Amir. Okay, oops. That loop was long and difficult to read. We can simplify it using filter. Filter calls a function on each element in array. The function returns true if then filter keeps that element, otherwise it discards the element. Users filter user admin and map username. So we have Amir. Our arrays filter array includes 2. So this will be 1, 2, like so, comma 2, comma 3, like so. JavaScript provides filter for us, but it's simple to function filter array callback. But it's simple to implement. Oh, here is the implementation of it. Filter array callback results. If callback array this, okay, results push that, return the results. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. So filter 1 to 3 x not equal to 2, so that will be 1, 3. Filter builds a new array. The original array isn't changed. Okay. So users filter, users map. Okay, so this one, users map will be username, and so we will get Amir, Betty. Finish lesson, and we are on time, and we are done. Done is what? That is better than perfect. Bye.